Have you ever wanted to create a one-of-a-kind product that's tailored just for you? Well, get excited, because 3D printing is about to open up a whole new world of customization and personalization possibilities. In this lesson, we'll dive into how you can leverage the power of additive manufacturing to bring your unique ideas to life. What is customization and personalization? Customization is all about modifying a product or service to meet the specific needs and preferences of an individual customer. This could involve anything from adjusting the size, color, or design of an item to incorporating personal engravings or symbols. Personalization takes it a step further by creating a truly bespoke solution that is designed around the individual user. Why use 3D printing? 3D printing is a game changer when it comes to customization and personalization. Traditional manufacturing methods often struggle to produce one-off or small-batch customized goods in a cost-effective way. But 3D printing eliminates the need for costly tooling and allows you to make highly personalized products on demand. Whether it's custom orthotics, personalized jewelry, or one-of-a-kind home decor, the flexibility of additive manufacturing makes it easier than ever to bring your creative vision to life. Design considerations, of course, successfully incorporating customization and personalization into your 3D printed products requires some careful planning and design work. You'll need to consider factors like the capabilities of your 3D printer, the appropriate materials to use, and how to create designs that are both visually appealing and structurally sound. We'll cover all of these key design considerations in detail. To bring this all to life, let's take a look at a few real-world examples of businesses that are using 3D printing to offer highly customized products. You'll see how they're tapping into the power of additive manufacturing to delight their customers and stand out in a crowded market. Customization and personalization are two of the most exciting frontiers in the world of 3D printing. By harnessing the incredible flexibility of additive manufacturing, you can create truly unique products that cater to the individual needs of your customers. To keep exploring all the ways 3D printing can transform your business, make sure to check out the rest of the lessons in this course. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any updates. In our next video, we'll be discussing how to troubleshoot common 3D printing issues. See you then.